Y70. But before that, I want to say that for past some videos, you see when I'm saying the intro, you see Nathaniel or Jonas in the speaker. I mean first, then I say. But in this video, they are not there. Actually, they are here.
Hi
Sorry, yeah,
guys.
Jonas, and right over here, Nathaniel. Very good.
Technically, we are in a collab today. If you want to see Nathaniel, it's just
I showed it. Yeah, I see.
yeah, he's here. It's him. It's him over here. So we're doing a collab, and
Let's begin the review of the Lenovo Legion Y70 phone. General specification. Brand is Lenovo. Model is Legion Y70. Release date is 18th August 2022. Thickness is 7.9 millimeters. Battery capacity 5100 mAh. Fast charging, proprietary. Colors are flame red, ice white, titanium gray. Let's go to the display.
yes, not only about the display of this phone, we can know that its refresh rate is 144 Hz with a resolution standard F15 plus, and its screen size is 6.67 inches with its touchscreen. Now let's head into the hardware.
Processor maker Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1, RAM 16 GB, internal storage 512 GB, and rear camera 50 megapixels plus 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels. Number of rear cameras 3, front camera 16 megapixels, and number of front camera 1. Software operating system Android 12, and skin is UI 14.
Connectivities. Wi-Fi yes, Bluetooth yes, and USB Type-C is there, and that's all.
Bye.
So if you guys like this video, subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. That's turn on notification. You guys get notified of the video, and also share this video with your family, friends, and your relatives. And that's all for today's review. My name is Jonas.
My name is John.
My name is Daniel, and this is Tech Insider signing off. Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Booyah.
Yeah.